Before Elon Musk became the visionary billionaire we know today, before Tesla, before SpaceX, before his name was synonymous with innovation, there was a 12-year-old kid with a computer and a dream. What if I told you that kid earned his first $500 not from stock investments, not from his parents' wealth, but by doing something you could do too? Interested? Let's dive into how one of the world's richest men made his first $500. By the way, if you're looking for more finance tips and success stories like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got more wealth-building content coming your way. Story of Elon Musk's first 500. In the early 80s, computers were just starting to become a household item, and young Elon Musk, living in South Africa, had a fascination with coding. He didn't come from extraordinary wealth or privilege, but what he did have was curiosity and a relentless desire to learn. By age 12, while most kids were playing outside, Musk was busy creating something incredible, a video game called Blastar. Now, this wasn't your average arcade game. Blastar was a space-themed game where you, the player, destroy an alien ship carrying deadly weapons. Not bad for a 12-year-old, right? And guess what? Here's the kicker. Elon didn't just create the game, he sold it. That's right, young Elon sold the code for Blastar to a computer magazine for a cool $500. Imagine being 12 years old and making your first $500 from something you built with your own hands. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have a passion or skill you could turn into income? Elon didn't wait until he was older or had more experience. He saw an opportunity and took it. Drop a comment below if you've ever thought about turning your passion into profit. But Elon's story wasn't just about coding or video games. It was about his mindset. Even as a kid, he wasn't afraid to take risks, to be curious, and to create something new. This is the same mindset that led him to build billion-dollar companies later in life. But remember, it all started with a small victory, $500 from a game he coded himself. If you're looking to start small, just like Elon did, and build something bigger over time, don't forget, every dollar counts, every skill matters, and every small success builds the foundation for greater achievements. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown of Elon's journey, make sure to hit the like button, because it helps more people discover these inspiring stories. The lesson here isn't that you need to know how to code or create video games. The lesson is to start small, but think big. That $500 wasn't just cash in Elon's pocket. It was proof that his skills had value. And once you understand that your skills, your ideas, and your passions can be turned into real money, you've unlocked a key to wealth that no one can take away from you. So whether it's coding, designing, writing, or any other skill you have, never underestimate the power of turning your passion into profit. Elon Musk didn't, and look where he is now. And remember, Elon Musk didn't become a billionaire overnight. He avoided common financial pitfalls and stayed ahead by mastering the digital world. Now, if you're in your 20s and want to avoid the same costly mistakes others make, click on this video right here. 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Trust me, it'll save you time, stress, and money. But if you're more focused on growing your income through modern strategies, don't miss the video on digital marketing for beginners. It's packed with actionable insights to help you take control of your online presence and thrive in the digital space. No matter which path you choose, both of these videos will push you one step closer to financial freedom. So click now and let's keep the momentum going.